Welcome to this video on DevOps, brought to you by Hope Infotech. DevOps is an in-demand technology, combining software development and IT operations for faster and more reliable application deployment. Key characteristics of DevOps include continuous integration and delivery, infrastructure automation, container management, and monitoring feedback. Phase 1, the foundation, involves proficiency in Linux for server management, GitHub for version control, and shell scripting for automation. Phase 2 focuses on core DevOps tools like Jenkins for CI/CD, Docker for containerization, and Kubernetes for container orchestration. Phase 3 covers advanced concepts such as Ansible for IT task automation, Terraform for infrastructure as code, and cloud computing with AWS. The advantages of DevOps include faster delivery, high automation, continuous monitoring, better collaboration, improved scalability, and reliable releases. Challenges of DevOps adoption include tool integration complexity, security concerns, vendor lock-in, and the need for skilled engineers. DevOps best practices involve continuous integration automation, automated testing, continuous monitoring, container orchestration, and infrastructure as code. Hope Infotech offers DevOps training covering CI/CD, cloud computing, and automation tools with hands-on projects, expert trainers, and job assistance. In conclusion, DevOps is vital for modern software development, improving collaboration, scalability, and quality, and creating strong career opportunities. Contact information is provided for further details. Thank you for your attention. This video was brought to you by Hope Infotech.